Move the prism 5 centimeters east.
Reading confirmed. The curve looks correct for loop 3.
Keep it coming on the left.
Watch the rebar.
We need more mix over here.
Keep the heat steady on that joint.
Almost got it. Watch the sparks below.
Lower it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Steady, steady. Pull the guide rope tight.
Did you get the seam fully coated?
Yeah, it looks good from here. Keep going.
Tighten that flange now.
We need more torque on the wrench.
Watch the gauge, don't overpressurize it.
Steady, steady.
Lift higher, align the structure.
All right, team, let's initiate the power sequence for loop 3.
Engaging the main breaker now. We have full illumination on the Emerald Run, boss.
We did it! Look at that flow. It is amazing.
Make sure this one is level with the others.
Yes, I have the motor ready for the next row.
We're clear on the 3rd loop section, no defects visible.
All right. Checklist item 4B confirmed. Let's move to the next curve.
Pass me that rope, quickly!
This piece is too heavy. We need help over here.
Bring the next pallet over here. Watch the edge, careful now.
Are the connections secure on the main pump line?
Yes, engineer. Holding pressure steady as requested.
Okay, lower it slowly now. Steady, steady. It's in. Hold it steady while I drill.
Okay, watch the water test now.
Looks good, thumbs up. The flow rate is stabilizing at optimal levels. How are the field readings?
Perfect, right on target. The Serpent is ready.
Look how high it goes! This place is amazing!
The golden light makes the scales shimmer. Let's go.
Pay close attention to the reinforced sections here, and when clearing the Cobra head at the peak, ensure all guests follow the securing procedures. The jungle ambiance is blending well with the track.
Yes, the equalization on the low end seems perfect now. How does that look from the ground angle?
Perfect, we captured the scales shimmering. Let's move to the next section.
Everything seems to be in order. The Serpent's descent is officially approved.
Thank you. We appreciate your thoroughness.
We made it! The view from up here is insane.
I'm nervous, but so ready to ride the Serpent's descent.
Oh yeah, this is absolutely wild. What a drop. Woo!
Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh yeah. Woo! That was amazing.
Welcome everyone to the grand opening of the Serpent's Descent Aqua Park!
Wow, look at the Serpent!
We're almost there. Here we go. That was amazing.
Wow, look at that Serpent. It's incredible. I can't believe we're finally here. Let's go.